If you are a stay-at-home mommy and you are looking for something to start making money online without creating content or without selling a product, I got you. So I started with this Love Good membership like 6 months ago, you guys. I don't need to create content. I don't need to sell anything. So what happens with this Love Good? You start with only $50. Exactly like you paying your Netflix every month to getting movies, you will have a $10 subscription where you pay every month to getting paid. Nice thing about this, if you want to be an affiliate like me, only reason why I'm sharing this because I've been in the online space like almost 3 years now. So, like me, if you want to be an affiliate and you want to start sharing this, Love Good will pay you for sharing this opportunity. And you and Love Good will pay you for being an active member. You guys, this is a $50 once off. Then you will have a $10 monthly fee every month, exactly like you paying your Netflix to watch movies. You will pay a $10 subscription fee to get it a paid. And remember, if you're going to start sharing this with your family, your friends, your co-workers, you will get paid $25 for each person signing up through your link. I'm going to leave everything for you on the screen. So check it out. Let me know and let's get you started, babe.